So hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to do braids with curls, with feed-in curls. So we are going to be using our normal braids. So we have a braid here, and this is the braid here we're going to be using. And then we're going to be using this curls. Now I chose this color so that you can see the difference, and I'm not doing black and black, and it's just for teaching purpose. So you can choose whichever color you want. So the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to start braiding the hair. So to braid the hair, I'm just going to take my braid hair. I'm going to take 2 of those. I'm going to cross them over each other like this. So we have it like a hook like this. And then we're going to start braiding. So to start the braid, I'm going to take 3 sections. There's so many ways you can start braids. I have a rubber band method also that is much simpler. So I'm going to take the hair, I'm going to kind of just adjust it and take one end like this, the one in the middle like this, and the one in the side like that. And we're going to start braiding, okay? So if this confuses you, you can use the rubber band method. So let's just braid. Just do a simple braid like that. Okay, so okay. So as you are braiding, what you're going to do is that when it's time to add in the hair. So we're going to add in the hair right now. Make sure you've prepared your hair. Don't be like me where I'll be here taking the hair out of the package. So prepare the hair beforehand. And then you get a little bit of the hair. Okay, so you're going to get a little bit of the hair. So I will just be doing it with a couple of hairs. So this is the hair that we're going to use. You separate the hair. You can just take a little bit at a time. You don't want to use so much. Take a little bit of it at a time, like this. You can put mousse on it if you want right now. So what we're going to do is that you're going to take the hair as you're braiding. So let's take this. So as you're braiding, you're going to take the hair. And you're going to take this hair and you're going to do it as if you're doing a knotless braid, right? So take it over, hold it underneath like this with your pinky finger, and then you're going to keep on braiding. So keep on braiding, release this other end like that. This hair is very, very slippery, so be very careful when you're doing it. And just keep on braiding. You're going to keep on braiding with the hair connected with it like that. Now this is the hair that will be left loose out. Now you notice that the hair is really long, left loose out. It depends on what you want. If you want it to be shorter, just pull on the hair and make it shorter. So you just pull on the curly hair and just make it shorter. So you keep on going like that. So keep on braiding with the hair itself intertwined with the hair that you are braiding with. Now, the way that you save so that you are not using so much of the curly wavy hair, what you do is that when you get to another section, you can let go of this if you want, the curly part. Okay, now the curly part, I usually let go of the first one at the bottom, okay, if you want to. So you can let go of it, or you can just braid it in. So you can keep on braiding it in, and then you can take more of the curly hair. So just take more of the curly hair, add that in again. You see, it's as if you're doing that knotless braid. You're going to add it in again and just keep on braiding like that. Okay. So if you add it in and you don't release it, this is what's going to happen. It's going to loop over the hair. You notice I didn't release it to curl. So you don't want to do that. You want to always release it to curl. So we're going to release it out. So whenever I do my tutorials, I always show mistakes that you can make along the way. So just release it to curl.